It's never going to be perfect on day one. So we need to have that excitement built up in individuals so that they themselves can get them over that hump of like, this isn't working perfectly, but it's okay because I know that I have confidence that it will in the future, or that I can figure it out, or there's someone working on this and I have a place to share my issues, my troubleshooting, or whatever it may be. So I think making people aware of all of that is really important. And then is the training. Then comes the training around reiterating all of that information about what you can expect, where to go when something's not working right, and where you can access your own training materials so that when you're in your day-to-day job, you're not freaking out over, oh my God, I don't remember how to do this. Who do I reach out to? Where does this training module? There's a whole library. How do I search for this module? Because when you're in your day-to-day workflow, your brain is already working. You're already under load. And adding any unnecessary stuff to that, that's going to create that friction and cause someone to not want to do it anymore.